Welcome everyone to my new video presentation on Solana technical analysis and price discussion. Today we're gonna consider checking the charts and presenting you the informations in an unencrypted way. For those of you interested in ChatGPT bot trading, make sure to check out my main YouTube channel, which is not the one I'm posting this video. You have the links in the description area. As well, for anyone interested to participate in the movement, you can join our ChatGPT bot trading without any upfront fees. It's just commission from pure profits achieved. However, we're going to talk about that later on. Meanwhile, Solana is successfully climbing itself to rank number 10 on CoinMarketCap. It's back, guys. It used to be around 20. It used to be about 28, 30, 32 back in the day. It seems like it has been successfully overcame that period of difficulties, building back its market cap, which looks around $8.7 billion at the moment, with a quite serious of a downtrend for the past 7 days, sitting on minus 12.3%. The last 24 hours are kind of average for the whole market. But the idea is that Solana is one of those cryptocurrencies with a higher index level of the liquidity, which means that the volatility representation is stronger, is faster, and it's much more dynamic. Therefore, you need to know that such cryptocurrency is not supposed to be traded on high leverage at all, other than exposing yourself with your free will, with your complete understanding, to very high risks. However, things can be taken from $10,000 to $20,000 in a day with such crypto on leverage, just like a $20,000 account back to $3,000 in the same day. So you must understand that such situations can appear on leverage with cryptos like that. Therefore, we're going to get into the charts. This is 1 hour candlesticks, and the situation is quite interesting because what we see here for Solana appearing, we have not seen for the other altcoins. And I'm talking about this long red candlestick along with this, huge wick. I mean, we did lost the support here, that's right. But this candle is 10%, is more than 10%. And we're looking at the 1 hour candlestick. So this is 1 hour length of more than 10%. That's huge. And this is not stable, guys, to trading at all. I mean, there was liquidity below the support line, that's right. Especially here, there was liquidity. And a lot of the guys that have long Solana thinking about a $40 mark or the $32 mark, which are two levels that could have been touched, have longed into this structure. That's right. They did long, but take a look what has happened. 10%. That's not minor, and that's no longer a joke. In this case scenario, we need to be very, very careful with these cryptocurrencies. Like I said, you might be on a 5x leverage, you might be on a 7x leverage. This thing takes you out big time, or it can generate you huge losses. Because in a single candle to get a more than 10%, meanwhile other cryptocurrencies have got 3% or 5% in such candles, it is a big problem. When you have double than the other altcoins in terms of decreases in a short period of time, it kind of shows how the order book lacks liquidity. At the same time, people no longer trust Solana just like trusted in 2021. It's clearly why. If you are a user of their community, if you have been around for the past months, you definitely know what has happened with Solana's price. It was down below $10. It was around $7, $6, and it came from 200 and so. So there's been a lot of the issues correlated with that, especially the discussions with the FTX. So we're trying to react here. There is a golden pocket in a reverse mode, but more than that, there is a strong support level at 21.5, which is actually where we have reacted. And on top of that, we came down to revisit the whole wick again. This is the week, right? So this is the wick. We came down, we have revisited this thing completely. I'd like to tell you what does it mean, but in the meantime, for those of you interested in the ChatGPT bot trading, make sure to check out our page and watch for the videos. This is where you can see how you can participate in the movement. There's an option based on no prior fee, only commission from the pure profits achieved, where we perform the trading for you with API permission. And it's quite simple and straightforward. Basically, we have the weekly performance list, then you can check out our pages as well for other details we can actually talk about at the end of the video. Therefore, the support that has been printing and reacting on 21.5 was already confirming twice. We have strong activity in the past already, so this is a level to keep in consideration. Anything around here is going to face buying pressure. The only question is around the selling pressure in the game. Selling pressure in the game for Solana is no longer big, yet is existent, and what is not big for other cryptocurrencies could be big for Solana. This is one of the things that we must consider. Although the highest probability right now for the market's movement are going to be a zigzag between the zone of the orange lines and the zone of the upper golden pocket in between the two yellow lines, which is around $24 down to $21.5. You can get a zigzag for the upcoming weeks easily, which is the situation with the highest expectancies, and that's pretty much all correlated with Solana. Make sure to subscribe and like the video, put your thoughts in the comments area, and at the same time, for those of interested in the ChatGPT bot trading movement, make sure to check out our pages. Everything is listed in the description area and comments area, and I'll talk about something interesting for your education and trading. If you think the coaching is important, and if you'd like to improve the results, you need to work on the cause, you need to work on the source of it. Have a good time, folks, and watch the upcoming minutes. At the same time, if you would like to change the results of your performance, if you want to do day trading, swing trading, position trading as a full-time or part-time trader, I do have a one-on-one coaching directly with me where I'll take you by hand between 4 to 6 weeks and teach you in an intensive way how to do the whole process. This is starting from the fundamentals of the mindset mentality going towards the technical analysis, where the idea is to understand the language of the market and react to that language accordingly. It's quite simple. If you know what does the market tells you, you know how to react to that. It is a message. It tells you this is where I'd like to go. This is where I have total domination, which is why you need to uncrypt the language of the market perfectly in order to act correctly. Like, if you're not correct in trading, if you're not accurate, you're not going to make money on the long term. Now, live trades are also part of the process. Day trades, swing trades, technicals, homework. I'm sharing with you my screen. I'm taking you through the whole process. If you want to be on a call for this one as well, just register now and you can qualify for a free conversation if you think it's interesting. You can read more about it and discover more. Have a good time, guys. Subscribe, and we'll talk to you soon.